this is Airsoft Idiots here. My partner, Bo, isn't here today, so it's just going to be me, and today I'm showing you the L96 Airsoft sniper rifle. So the sight on this isn't the sight it comes with. I broke the sight because it's made of plastic, and so I put on this sight. It has magnification. I'm sorry, there's a bunch of mosquitoes. And so it comes with a tripod. I also broke that too because it's made of plastic. But you can put the tripod here. It comes with a sight. The sight actually has a laser on it, but the sight is pretty cheap too because it's not zoom, it's just plastic crosses inside of it. So I'm going to be showing you things of how to use it, how to load it, whatever, if you haven't figured it out already, which is probably what we're going to be saying a lot. Okay, so I'll show you it right here. Okay, so how to take out the mag. It's easy. This thing right here, you just push it and then pull down. It's easy as that. Okay, and then if you want to put bullets in it, you pull this down right here and you put it to the left so it stays, and then you just kind of do this because all the bullets are in here and you need to get them right here. So I already got a full mag. Yep. If you can let it focus in. Okay, anyways, you can see some of them. So put it in. The part that sticks up goes in the front. Okay, it's stuck in there. And then you pull down on this, and it's ready to shoot. So I'm going to be showing you me shooting the fence over there. I'm going to try to hit the gate about where the star is, if I can hit it. If I don't hit it exactly, it's probably because the sight didn't come with this, so I'm going to try my best anyways. Okay, so there's also no safety, so you don't have to worry about that. So shot number 1 right here. Okay, I couldn't tell where that hit because YOLO. Okay, so I'm going to take my second shot. Okay, I can't tell where these are going, but anyways. So that's pretty much it. It's a good gun, except for the accuracy isn't so good because the barrel's really wide, as you can see. And it looks like my partner is just getting home. He probably won't make it into the video. But that's it. It's an L96. I'll leave a link in the description of Amazon where to get it. And see you in the next video.